At the very end of May, we decided to pack up and chase one of the most beautiful sights in Northern California. Burney Falls. They call it the eighth wonder of the world, and honestly, the moment you catch that first glimpse through the trees, you completely understand why. Standing here, you can feel the cold mist on your face and the literal roar of 100 million gallons of water rushing down every single day. What's wild is that the water doesn't just flow from the top. It actually bursts straight out of the volcanic rock layers. It feels less like real life and more like stepping into a fantasy world. It was the perfect way to wrap up the month of May. Just residing, taking in the views, and remembering how incredible the art is. If Burney Falls isn't on your California bucket list yet, this is your side to add it. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.